In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invite friends to 4-player chess on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to invite friends to 4-player chess on chess.com. And of course, if you want to do that, we can go to this left panel, click on play, and that should take us here. Make sure to click or choose this chess variants, and that should take us to this page. As you can see here, we will have 4 players in variants, 4-player chess or chess variants. Of course, that's gonna be like the keyboard shortcuts, the general hints, and a lot of other informations. If you want to read that carefully. Here, of course, let's just quit or click on X, and as you can see, you can play this 4-player chess. Once you click on it, as you can see, you will have the rules of that chess, of course. Just go and read them carefully again. And let's just click on X. Now, what you would like to do, of course, is just go to the options here and click on friends. And if you have some friends here, you'll be able to invite them one by one, so you can actually play this 4-player chess on chess.com. For me, I don't have any friends because if I go here to socials and friends, as you can see, no friends yet. But if I have some friends, I'll find them there, and that option right here, and I will be able to invite them to play with me this 4-player chess. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.